Okay, so here on this problem, they want us to find the volume of this shape. And so this is, again, it's a two-parter. This is a cone on the top, and this is, it's called a cylinder. This soda can shape on the bottom is called a cylinder. So we're just going to add those together. So the volume, the total volume equals the cone plus the cylinder. So what is the volume of the cone? We'll just go grab the formulas from the notes right there. So for a cone, the volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. So for the cone, 1/3 pi r squared h. Plus in the cylinder formula, the volume is pi r squared h. There we go. Okay. So do we have everything we need? 1/3 pi. What's the radius? That's just the 9. That's pretty clear, isn't it? The radius is the 9 because that goes from the middle to the edge halfway across the circle. So that is the 9 right there squared times the height. Now what's the height of right now I'm doing the cone. So what's the height of the cone? Yeah, that's it's going to be the 15 minus the 10, isn't it? Do y'all see that okay? Let me draw that in more clear. So the height right here the height of the cone is 15 minus 10, 5, right? Because 15, here's the 15, which is all the way cylinder and cone, and 10 is just the height of the cylinder, isn't it? So if you take the 15 minus the 10, you get the height of just the cone. So that is the 5, like that. So multiply those, just hit the buttons on your calculator. So what's that going to be? Use the pi button. I'm getting 424.115. Yeah, and now the cylinder. Pi, again, the radius is still just the 9. No changes there. And what's the height of the cylinder? Well, that's just directly given to us as 10, isn't it? This 10 right here is the height of the cylinder. So that's a little more straight ahead. So hit the buttons on your calculator. I'm getting 2544.690. So then add those together. Total volume. I'm getting 2968.81. 2968.81. They didn't say how many decimal places. I'm sure 2 is fine. I actually had 80. Maybe I'll just write 805. I had 805. So that's, I'm sure 3 is plenty. So there's the total volume. So again, what did we do? We just had a cone on the top and a cylinder on the base. So just wrote down the formulas. The only tricky part was finding the height of the cone here, which was the 15, take away the 10 to find just the top part, the cone height, and plug everything in and hit the buttons. There we go.